There's Natalie and her Jolly Jumper. She's sort of just figuring out how to use it. Hey Natalie, you're just figuring out how to use it? Oh yeah. Oh, good girl. Bounce around. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, cutie pie. Are you having a good time in there? Are you having a good time in there? Good girl, Natalie. Yeah, you're